Have you ever taken a piece of equipment into your local dealer for warranty work and you encounter quite a bit of resistance? They don't want to do the warranty work. They try everything to get out of it. Well, I'm going to tell you why right now.
Welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon.
I have worked at so many shops in my career as a small engine mechanic, and there are two that I have worked at that absolutely despised doing warranty work. I'm going to give you an example right now of what happened to me. This is a perfect example. I got a blower in. This is a BG55 steel blower. Came in, it was only a few days old, and the recoil spring was broken on it. It was clearly a warranty issue. No problem with that. So I took the, you got to take it off. It's not like replacing just the rope. It takes longer than that. You got to take this off, take all the guts out, put a new spring in it and everything. So I did that. The customer was happy. And a little while later, my boss comes to the back shop and he has some paperwork in his hand and he goes, "Hey, Steve, do you remember that warranty spring you did on that BG55? I'm like, yeah. He goes, "You know how much steel paid us for that?" I went, "I don't think I want to know." He goes, 12 minutes. I burst out laughing and I said, "The paperwork took longer than 12 minutes. He's like, "Yeah, I know. I just hate doing warranty work." If the customer was just paying for that himself, it would have been an easy half hour. Absolutely half an hour job right there. And so some manufacturers really lowball the dealers, piss a lot of dealers off. Another story that comes to mind is I worked at a shop that was a Sears warranty dealer for Sears Craftsman's. The lawnmower came in one day. The guy had just bought it like a week ago. And so he phoned Sears, of course, and Sears said, "Yep, take it down to that shop right there, and they'll fix it for you." It was a bent crankshaft. The blade was bent down like this, totally mangled. Crankshaft was bent like a banana, and the guy brought it in for warranty work. And my boss looked at the customer and he said, "That's not warranty. Warranty is for manufacturer's defects." I was standing right there, and my boss looked at him right in the eyes, and he goes, "Listen, if you bought a brand new car from a dealer, drove the car out of the lot, put it in the ditch, bent the fender, you wouldn't turn around and drive it back into the dealer and say, 'The fender's bent, this is warranty,' now would you?" And the guy was like, "Well, of course not." My boss is like, "Well, it's the exact same thing. It's your fault. It's got nothing to do with what the manufacturer did." That customer created such a stink. It was 2 or 3 months later that he was phoning the Sears themselves. And Sears finally phoned my boss and he said, "Look, this guy's a pain in the ass. Just put a new crankshaft in his lawnmower for him and be done with it." My boss said, "Not a freaking chance. There's no way I'm putting that in there under warranty. I don't care what you pay me. It's the precedence. It's gonna set the precedence for this customer learning that if he cries enough, he's gonna get whatever he wants. And then next time he's going to bring something like this in and say, 'Well, I got warranty last time and it wasn't warranty. Why can't I do it again?'" My boss outright said, "No way." So I thought I would just share those two little stories with you, maybe give you a little bit more insight from the dealer's point of view on that. That's it. Cheers. Steve out.